Hi, welcome to SharePoint Designs. Welcome to this beginner's guide to using Microsoft SharePoint for different teams in your organization. In this video, we'll explore how different departments use SharePoint in real workplace scenarios. We'll cover HR portals, internal communication, project collaboration, file sharing, and more. By the end of this video, you'll understand how SharePoint helps organizations stay connected, organized, and productive. Let's start by understanding what SharePoint actually is. Microsoft SharePoint is a collaboration and document management platform included in Microsoft 365. It helps organizations store files, manage information, and enable teams to work together more efficiently. Think of SharePoint as a digital workplace where employees can securely access documents, resources, and company information. Instead of relying on emails and local file storage, teams can collaborate from one centralized environment. Now, let's quickly look at what SharePoint actually looks like. This is the SharePoint home experience where employees can quickly access important sites, recent activity, and organizational resources. Team sites provide a shared workspace where departments and project teams can collaborate, match files, and work together efficiently. Communication sites are across the organization. Document libraries helps teams securely store, organize, and manage files in one centralized location. The navigation menu makes it easy for employees to quickly move between sites, resources, and business rules. SharePoint's powerful search helps users quickly find documents, pages, people, and information across the organization. Now, let's explore the SharePoint for HR teams. HR teams commonly use SharePoint as a centralized employee portal. Employees can access company policies, onboarding documents, leave forms, training materials, and HR announcements from one location. This reduces repetitive mail communication and makes information easier to manage. HR departments also use SharePoint for employee onboarding, internal forms, and company resources. Let's move on to the internal communication teams. Many organizations use SharePoint as an internal communication platform or company intranet. Communication teams use it to share company news, leadership announcements, events, newsletters, and organization-wide updates. This helps employees stay informed and connected across the organization. Instead of relying only on emails, SharePoint creates a centralized communication hub for employees. Moving on, let's see how project and operations team collaborate using SharePoint. Project and operations team use SharePoint for collaboration and document management. Teams can create dedicated SharePoint sites to organize project files, resources, and operational documents. One major advantage is centralized file management, where everyone works for the same shared environment. This reduces confusion caused by duplicate files and multiple document versions. Now, let's take a look at one of the SharePoint's most powerful capabilities, collaboration and file sharing. Multiple employees can edit Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, and Microsoft PowerPoint presentations at the same time. Changes are automatically saved and updated instantly for everyone. This eliminates duplicate files and makes teamwork much more efficient. Now, let's move on to another important area, security and permissions. Organizations can control who has access to specific files, departments, sites, or resources. This helps keep business information secure while still enabling collaboration across teams. For example, HR files may only be visible to HR staff, while project site may only be accessible to project members. This flexibility is one of the reasons why organizations trust SharePoint for workplace collaboration. The key thing to remember is that SharePoint is much more than just cloud storage. It is a platform designed to improve collaboration, communication, productivity, and information management across organizations. Different teams may use SharePoint in different ways, but the overall goal remains the same, helping employees work together more efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out the description and comment section.